How to buy Ethereum on MetaMask wallet. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. In this video, I will guide you on how you can buy Ethereum on MetaMask wallet. For this, you want to open the MetaMask app on your device. If you don't have this application, head over to Play Store or App Store in order to install this app. Once you have open the application, make sure to sign into your account. Now at the top, you want to make sure you have selected the Ethereum main network. If you have not, tap on this drop down and from here select the Ethereum main network. Now tap on the buy EHT option. Here you will have to enter your region, so go ahead and tap on this drop down menu. Now select your region. After you have selected that, tap on the continue option. Next step is to select your payment method. Here you have Google Pay, debit or credit, PayPal, instant ACH bank transfer or wire transfer. Now you can select whichever option you prefer, then tap on continue to account option. Now you want to select Ethereum over here. Next step is to enter your amount. So for that you want to select your region currency. After that, tap on the amount option and select your preferred amount. Now if you want to update your payment method, you can do that from here as well. Then tap on the get quotes option. Now you want to select your preferred quote. After that, it will take you to the payment method section. Here you will have to verify your details first, so go ahead and enter your email and country of residence. Then you will have to enter all the details about your payment. Once all of these processes are completed, you will be able to buy Ethereum on MetaMask, and that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.